Wolverines.
I'm Tarkesia Blakely.
And I'm Ariel Allen.
And thank you for watching WOHS TV. College awareness. How about a little friendly competition? Decorate your classroom door with your items that represent your collegiate alma mater. There will be a first, second, and third place winners. Have fun with your students and may the best collegiate door win.
Attention POW Club members. Our next meeting is Thursday, January 19th at 2:30 p.m. 8th hour students, please see Ms. Mitchell. Also, training for origami hearts and flowers for the upcoming Valorgram fundraiser.
Attention ISA members. Please see the important information posted on the ISA board in front of room 131. Please be sure to stop by and check out the information regarding the Salsa Social. The Salsa Social will be scheduled for January 26th.
OHS Homecoming Court fundraiser. Today, January 18th, candidates sell donuts before school for $1. Tomorrow, January 19th, candidates sell pizza after school for $1. Friday, January 20th, teachers fundraiser lunch, chicken tenders and fries at concessions after school. Pep rally for ticket holders, boys junior varsity and varsity, and girls homecoming games starting at 4:30 p.m.
That sounds really good, Ariel. Make sure you go out and purchase you some food. Overton Wolverines. It's homecoming week, and today students participated in class wars. Freshmen wore yellow, sophomores wore orange, juniors wore green, and seniors wore purple. Tomorrow is Throwback Thursday, 50s to 90s. Examples are stonewashed jeans, afros, peace signs, and baggy clothes. And Friday is Spirit Day. Show your best Wolverine spirit.
Our homecoming game versus Melrose at Overton High School will be this Friday. Make sure you purchase your tickets.
And now for your weather. Today will be a high of 51 in the lower 49, and tomorrow will be a high of 58 in the lower 49. I am Tarkesia Blakely.
And I'm Ariel Allen.
And thank you for watching WOHS TV.